Hi guys, hope you successfully finished exercise 3.2. Now we are going to begin exercise 3.3, and as you already know that all the problems which are there in this exercise we are going to solve using elimination method. Let us now solve the first bit of this first problem in exercise 3.3 using elimination method. Since they have given two equations here, let us assume this as equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now our duty is we need to solve these two equations using elimination method. Now the word itself is saying we need to eliminate what? You need to either eliminate x term or y term. How to eliminate? Let us see. Now in this problem we are trying to eliminate the x term. So to eliminate that we are going to multiply this first equation with 2. Okay. So when you multiply with 2 you will get 2x plus 2y is equals to 10. That is what we have written. Now after multiplication equation 1 with 2 we got this equation, and let us assume this equation has 3. Now what is our target? We have to, or we want to eliminate x term now in this problem. So to eliminate this x term, what we are going to do is we are going to subtract this second equation from this third equation. See here on the screen we have taken this third equation, and let us take this second equation and subtract. When you are subtracting you have to change the symbol of this second equation. So after subtraction 2x minus 2x cancel, 2y plus 3y is equals to 5y, then 10 minus 4 is equals to 6. So what we got? 5y is equal to 6, and from this you can write y is equals to 6 by 5. So by eliminating this x term we got y value. That is the reason we will call this method as elimination method. Now we got y value only, but we have to still get x value. So let us take this y value and substitute in this equation 1. In place of y, if you put 6 by 5 you will get x value also. See here, in place of y we kept 6 by 5, then we got x is equals to 19 by 5. So finally we got the solutions 19 by 5 and 6 by 5 as the solutions of given pair of linear equations using elimination method.